Hello and welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense. Today we're going to do some vocabulary building. Vocabulary building? Yeah, we're going to practice words with pictures and then you get to guess how to spell them. Now, if you want, get a paper and pencil so you can practice. The more you write out, the more you do, the better you get. And you might need to check your points. Okay? Here we go. I'm going to tell you how it works. First, I'm going to show you a card. Okay? And in the card, there'll be a picture. And each picture, each vocabulary word starts with the letter that's right up here in the corner. Okay? So, take a look at the picture. What is this object called? If you can name it, give yourself 1 point. If you can spell it, give yourself 5 points. Are you ready? Did you say bench? Bench? All right. How did you spell bench? Did you spell it number 1, number 2, or number 3? Check your paper. Did you say number 1? Yes, you are correct. Bench is spelled B-E-N-C-H. Bench. I love a good park bench. Bench. Say it. Bench. Spell it. Bench. Look at it one more time. Bench. How did you do? How many points did you get? How about this word? This one also starts with a B. Yes. Take a look at it. What is this object called? If you shouted out balloon, you're correct. But how do you spell balloon? Are you ready? Is it 1? Is it 2? Or is it 3? Think about it. Did you say 2? Yes, winner, winner, chicken dinner. You are correct. Balloon is spelled B-A-L-L-O-O-N. Got a double L, got a double O. Balloon. Balloon. It's a green balloon. Excellent. Did you get 5 points? Way to go. Maybe you have 10. Ready? What is this animal? What kind of animal is this? It's got the question right up top. What kind of animal is this? We started with B's and now we're on Z. Or many people say Z. What kind of animal is this? If you shouted out zebra, you are correct. Give yourself a point. If you spelled zebra correctly, you would be 1, 2, or 3. Did you say 3? Way to go. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Boom. Excellent job. 5 more points for you. High five, high five. All right. Going back to the letter B. Are you ready? I love this food. What kind of food is this? What kind of food is this? I love to eat fresh baked. Did you say bread? Give yourself a point. Can you spell bread? You can. How did you spell it? Did you spell it like this? Did you spell it like this? Or did you spell it like this? Remember, this is English, so it won't make sense. If you spelled it B-R-E-A-D, it is bread. You are correct. B-R-E-A-D. Bread. Got it? Excellent. How you doing? Holding up okay? Got another one. This one starts with B as well. And it starts with a B. What is this object called? Ooh, I need to do more of it with my hair. Did you say brush? Brush. Yes, it's a brush. Give yourself a point. If you can spell brush, 1, 2, or 3. How do you spell it? How do you spell it? Let's do this. Whoa! How do you spell it? Brush. Brush. Did you say number 3? You're correct. Brush. B-R-U-S-H. Brush. How are you doing on points? Oh my gosh, look at that back. Let's go back this way. Whoa! That's what we call a mess. M-E-S-S. Mess. Doesn't rhyme with brush. But let me give you another word. What kind of animal is this? Pollo. Did you say chicken? Give yourself a point. How do you spell chicken? I love to eat chicken. I like fried chicken. I like baked chicken. I just love chicken. But how do you spell it? Is it number 1? Is it number 2? Or is it number 3? Did you say 1? You are correct. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. Chicken. Do you like chicken? Excellent. How are you doing on points? All right, here we go. New word. It's an instrument. It's an instrument. Yeah. What is this musical instrument called? Brrrr. Did you say drum? Drum? Excellent. Drum. D-R-U-M. Drum. Yeah, I already spelled it for you. D-R-U-M? D-R-U-M? This one's D-R-U-M. Drum. Drum. Can you play the drum? Drum. Our next word is, which number is this? Which number is this? This has a crazy spelling. Which number is this? Ooh, bad lighting. Which number is this? Did you say 8? Excellent. Did you spell it like this? Did you spell it like this? Or did you spell it like this? Write it down. Choose it. Say it out loud if you want to. Did you say number 1? Yeah. The E-I-G-H makes it A. A, like in sleigh and way. And an 8. Oh, I know. English. Crazy. All right. How about this one? What is this object called? What is this object called? Put it around your yard. Put it around your garden. If you said fence, fence, you're correct. How do you spell fence? Is it 1? Is it 2? Or is it 3? Think about it. Did you say number 1? Did you write it down? Do you have it? Fence. Fence. It's got the soft C because of the E. Fence. Perfect. You're doing great. Keep it up. I promise. It gets better. Ready? These are just, we're going to start out a little easy. Okay. What is this thing that grows? That's a strange question, isn't it? What is this thing that grows? It's also a homophone. There's another word that sounds exactly like it, and it has not the same meaning. Did you say flower? Flower, remember, this is English, so it's flower. How do we spell flower? Is it 1? Is it 2? Or is it 3? Did you say number 3? Yes, excellent. Way to go. Flower, F-L-O-W-E-R. Remember, it's English. Flower. Here we go. What is this type of home called? Ooh, it's cold. What is this type of home called? It has to start with an I. I'll give you a hint. It's a short I. Did you say igloo? Great job. How do you spell igloo? Do you spell it 1, 2, or 3? Igloo. Igloo. If you said number 2 is I-G-L-O-O. Igloo. Say it with me. Igloo. But sometimes we don't hear that G. We just say igloo. Igloo. Got it? Igloo. And finally, oh, these are so yummy. They add zest to everything you put it in. What kind of fruit is this? Saving the best for last. Remember, in English, what do we call it? It starts with an L. Did you say lemon? Lemon? You're correct. How do we spell lemon? Do we spell it number 1, L-E-M-O-N? Number 2, L-E-M-M-O-N? Or number 3, L-E-M-N? Lemon. Lemon. We pronounce it lemon, but we spell it lemon. L-E-M-O-N. Lemon. Got it? Why does English have so many fun words that are just good to practice with? And we did a little practice. We did a little spelling. Why? Want to do a quick review? We'll go speed round. Ready? Igloo. Flower. Fence. 8. Drum. Chicken. Brush. Bread. Zebra. How did zebra get in there? Balloon. bench. And we ended with it, and we're ending it with it again, lemon. Why does English make everything oh so tricky and oh so fun, and we're practicing our spelling? I don't know, but I hope this helps. Tell me how many points you got, or let me know, was this lesson valuable? If you like what you saw, hit like, subscribe if you haven't already, and just give me some feedback, all right? Peace, friends. Have a great day.